Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete Telegram account, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete your Telegram account, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. And after opening your Telegram app, guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon, and over here you can see the settings option available for us just below the saved messages. Tap on settings, and on this interface scroll down to the bottom of the list where you can see there is the Telegram FAQ option available for us just below the ask a question. Tap on Telegram FAQ, and this kind of interface will appear, and you can see guys there is the general information over here. We'll be required to scroll down until you can find the your account option available for us. Over here you can see guys there it says the your account, and in this interface there is the delete your Telegram account option available for us just below the change your phone number. Tap on delete your Telegram account, and you will be landed on this page where you can see there is the deactivate page option available for us over here on the blue at the top of the screen. Tap on that deactivation page, and you'll be directed to a Google Chrome browser or your default browser on your phone where this kind of deletion page of your Telegram account will open. And in order to proceed, you'll be required to enter your phone number over here of your Telegram account which you want to delete, and tap on next, and a confirmation code will be sent to you on your Telegram. So go back to your Telegram and get that code which was sent to you on a Telegram account by the Telegram itself. And you can see guys the login code has been sent to us by Telegram over here. Now you'll be required to open it, and you can see your codes will be over here. Now you'll be required to copy and paste that code over here, so let's do that. And after entering your code guys, tap on the sign in button over here, and you'll be on this interface where you can see guys you'll be required to enter your message why are you leaving if you want to, but if you want to you can just leave it blank. And with that being done guys, after landing on this page you can see there is a delete my account button available at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that delete my account, and your Telegram account will be deleted. And there guys, this is how to delete Telegram account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.